In this video, I'll compare two really powerful research tools for any e-commerce business, Thieve and Niche Scraper. Now, whether you're running dropshipping or Amazon FBA or anything else, using the right research tools to find the best products to sell and also being able to learn from your competitors can be a complete game changer for your business. At the same time, if you use the wrong tool, that's a good way to waste a lot of money and a lot of time. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so that I can help you make the right decision, because I'm going to cover important information about each of these tools one at a time, including the product discovery features, supplier database, pricing and subscription, automation features, and so much more. Now, I've included the links to both of these in the description below so you can check them out. And now let's get started. Thieve stands out with its visually driven product discovery interface, which is particularly appealing for users who prioritize aesthetic and trending products. The platform primarily focuses on products with high potential for social media appeal and consumer interest, showcasing them through high-quality images and user ratings. However, it does lack some of the deeper filtering options that you get with other tools. Instead, focuses on simplicity and visual appeal. What about the market analysis? Well, market analysis in Thieve is somewhat limited compared to more analytical tools. It provides basic information on popularity and trends through user engagement and likes on the platform. This approach is useful for quickly gauging customer interest, but it does not offer deep dive data like competitive analysis or detailed sales projections. What about integration with other platforms? Well, Thieve offers straightforward integration with Shopify, allowing users to easily import products they identify on the platform. However, its integration features are not as extensive or versatile as some other tools that also support WooCommerce and other e-commerce platforms. What about supplier database? Well, Thieve does not provide a dedicated supplier database or detailed supplier information because that's not its focus. It focuses primarily on product discovery from AliExpress. Users looking for an in-depth supplier vetting and relationship might not like this aspect of Thieve, but let's talk about their pricing and profitability tools. The platform includes basic tools to estimate your potential profit in your business. However, these tools aren't quite as robust or detailed as some of the more comprehensive dropshipping tools, which I've talked about on this channel in other videos, where users can adjust various costs and logistics considerations and help decide which product is better for them. As far as user interface and ease of use goes, Thieve excels in its user interface, which is clean, modern, and exceptionally user-friendly. The emphasis on visual presentation makes it really easy and enjoyable for new users to browse and select products based on visual appeal and market trends. Now, one of the most important things is customer support and community. Customer support is available through email. It might not be as immediate as platforms offering live chat support. Thieve has a growing community on social media, and it fosters a network of people who share tips and product success. So if you want to be part of a good community of people that are willing to share information with you, Thieve is a great one. Now, what about their pricing structure? Well, Thieve operates on a subscription basis with different tiers that cater to different needs depending on your user engagement. Now, they do have a free version that you can actually sign up and try out using the link in the description. But after that, they do have a pro plan that currently costs $49 a month. And so you can actually try that out for free right now using the link in the description. What about automation features? Well, automation features in Thieve are minimal, with the main focus being on product discovery rather than the full spectrum of dropshipping operations like automated order processing or inventory management. Now let's talk about their analytics and reporting. Thieve provides minimal analytics and reporting features. It focuses more on curation and presentation of products rather than the detailed business intelligence. Now, if you're interested in using Thieve on your phone, unfortunately they don't have a mobile app at this moment, but that might change in the future. As far as customer reviews and feedback, user feedback for Thieve is generally positive, particularly for its ease of use interface and appealing product selection, but some users do express that they'd like to have more comprehensive features like enhanced market analysis and better integration options. Overall, Thieve is a solid option for dropshippers who prioritize a visually appealing, easy to use platform for discovering trending products on AliExpress. While it offers excellent product curation, it may not satisfy people looking for detailed analytics or extensive e-commerce platform integration. Its appeal lies in its simplicity and focus on visual discovery, making it ideal for new people that are trying dropshipping. If you're a new beginner, if you want to start a dropshipping business, then Thieve would really be a great tool that you can use to get you started. Niche Scraper excels in product discovery. You can see they have an entire section right here on their website. They've got a product scraper and also a section called Handpicked. You get access to a handpicked selection of trending products here. The platform utilizes a robust scraping technology to analyze thousands of products daily from e-commerce platforms like Shopify, AliExpress, and more. Users can search through these products using advanced filtering options, including profitability, sales volume, and recent trends, making it a really powerful tool for uncovering hidden gems. Now, what about market analysis? Well, market analysis is another really strong suit for Niche Scraper. It offers detailed insights into product trends, demand, and competition levels. Users can also access sales data and engagement statistics to better understand the market dynamics of potential products. This comprehensive analysis is essential for making informed decisions and staying ahead in really competitive markets. But what about their integration with other platforms? Niche Scraper provides seamless integration with Shopify, allowing users to easily import products into their Shopify stores. Now, while the focus is primarily on Shopify, it offers enough information to be useful for people that are using other platforms as well, although direct integration might be limited with other platforms. But what about their supplier database? Well, Niche Scraper does not directly offer a supplier database, but it focuses more on product metrics and trends. Users need to conduct their own supplier research or pair Niche Scraper with another tool that offers direct supplier connections. Now, what about their profitability and pricing tools? Well, Niche Scraper includes a profit calculator that helps estimate the potential earnings by considering various factors like shipping costs, product costs, and suggested retail prices. This tool is invaluable. It's super useful for quickly assessing whether a product could actually make you money or if it's gonna destroy your business. Now, what about the user interface and ease of use? The user interface of Niche Scraper is straightforward. It's pretty easy, although it doesn't look as beautiful as some other platforms that I've seen, but I guess that doesn't really matter because it's still really powerful and it does the job, which is what really matters at the end of the day. They do have clear navigation and explanatory elements that makes it easy for most users to find all their features. As you can see, their product discovery, market research, and all the stuff is right here on their homepage for you to easily see, so you know exactly what to do. Now, what about customer support and community? Well, Niche Scrapers offers customer support through email and an extensive knowledge base. They also have an active Facebook group where users can share insights, they can ask questions, and they can learn from each other's experiences. So it's a really healthy platform in that matter. What about their pricing? Well, pricing is obviously important, so let's see how much it actually costs. Now, Niche Scraper does not actually have a clear pricing section on their website, which is kind of annoying, but if you actually Google their pricing, you can see a review that tells you that their Scraper Pro plan starts at about $50 a month, and they offer lots of comprehensive features such as analysis of ad spy and Shopify stores. The good thing about Niche Scraper is that you don't have to worry about that because you can actually get started with it completely for free. What about automation features? Now, NicheScraper does not offer extensive automation features for managing like regular day-to-day dropshipping operations, but its product scraping and analytics can help you streamline the product research phase by a mile. It's just amazing. So what about analytics and reporting? The platform offers detailed analytics and reporting features, allowing users to track product performances and market trends comprehensively. These insights are crucial for adapting strategies and maximizing your sales. Now, if you're planning on using NicheScraper on your phone, you want to see like the results and check your data. Unfortunately, they don't actually offer a mobile app at this moment, which could be a downside if you're planning on using your phone. Chances are you're probably doing most of your business from your laptop anyway, so that shouldn't really be a deal breaker. Overall, the reviews and user feedback for NicheScraper is largely very positive, with people praising the really effective product discovery and comprehensive market analysis capabilities. If you look at their FAQ section, they tell you like what's so special about NicheScraper. Well, they have one of the most advanced product web crawlers available, and it's written by ex-Facebook and ex-Instagram employees. It is capable of analyzing trends and data to reveal true winning products that no other product research service can compete with. So that's a huge, really bold statement. And you know what? The fact that it was written by ex-Facebook and Instagram employees kind of signals that the product is probably really, really good. That's what I would assume if I didn't know anything about it. Clearly, NicheScraper is an excellent choice for dropshippers focusing on discovering trending products and analyzing market opportunities. Now, as you can see, both tools have their pros and cons, and the best one for you depends on your specific needs. If you're interested in starting a new e-commerce business, or maybe you want to move your existing business to another platform, I'd recommend Shopify. It's one of the most popular e-commerce platforms in the world, and you can try it out for an entire month for just $1. For your convenience, I've included the links to all tools, platforms, and relevant resources to help you with your business. It's in the description box below. Drop any questions you have in the comments section, and I'll do my best to help you out as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.